Here are some methods to fix Facebook app not set up. This app is still in development mode, and you don't have access to it. Switch to a registered test user or ask an app admin for permissions. Problem step-by-step solution. Method 1. Check your internet connection. The most common reason for this error is a bad internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. Method 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. To do this, long press on your device, then click on Restart. After restarting, check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, then follow the next method. Method 3. Log out of Facebook and log back in. To do this, go to the Facebook app and click on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then, click on Log Out. Once you have logged out, log back in and see if the error is still there. Method 4. Clear the app's cache and data. To do this, long press on Facebook app, click on App Info, then click on Force Stop, and then tap on Storage Cache. Then, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Go back, click on Permissions, then allow all needed permissions. Method 5. Update the Facebook app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. To do this, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. If an update is available, tap on Update. If you have tried all of these steps and the error is still there, then you may need to contact Facebook support for help. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. The error message, "This app is still in development mode, and you don't have access to it," means that the Facebook app that you are trying to use is still in beta testing and is not yet available to the general public. If you are a registered test user for the Facebook app, you should be able to access it without any problems. However, if you are not a registered test user, you will need to wait until the app is released to the public. If you are an app admin, you can grant permissions to other users to access the Facebook app. To do this, go to the Settings page for the app and tap on Permissions. Then, select the users that you want to grant permissions to. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to TechSor.